Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over a few of the things that you might have missed from last week that you should definitely be made aware of. Let's get into the video. Now, if you missed out on last week's videos, you should definitely check them out. I showed how to recover from a botched HDMI repair on a PS5 Slim, how to do the glass only on an iPhone. The channel that I featured on Tuesday was Joey Does Tech, so you should definitely check him out. And of course, we covered new parts and tools as well that are on the website, so you should definitely check those out. Now, one of the really cool things that MobileSentrix is doing is putting out service pack screens with proximity sensors at unbeatable prices. As you can see, we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the proximity sensor Flex pre-installed, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max as well with the proximity sensor pre-installed and at great prices. So definitely take advantage of those service packs. Something also to be made aware of is how MobileSentrix has over 4,000 pre-owned Sky and Vortex phone and tablets at amazing prices. So if you have a lot of clientele that's looking for a cheaper option when they break a device, instead of the repair or replacing the device, given the current economy and all, definitely check those out, especially if your clients have kids that are looking to get their first device or something that won't be so consequential if they break it. I've got kids, and that's exactly what I see when I look at these devices and these prices. Also, there was a massive price drop on service pack for Samsung screens. As you can see here, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra OLED assembly without frame for all colors at an amazing price, and with frame as well for not much more. The S23 Ultra in the same fashion. This will allow you to get more of those customers in your door and those devices repaired. And last but not least, some of the new tools that you should definitely be made aware of. The NAN Read and Write U15 UFS Programmer for Android, a tool that pays for itself many times over if you know how to use it or learn how to use it. The F210 True Tone Restore program for the iPhone 12 through the 15 series, which allows you to restore the True Tone feature on device even when using non-genuine screens, ensuring accurate color display and brightness adjustments. The tool is compatible with iPhone models ranging from the iPhone 12 series up to the 15 series, making it an essential solution for maintaining optimal display quality during the screen replacements. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I'm a little disorderly with my screwdrivers and I kind of sprawl them out all over the desk. But having something like this standalone model that allows you to store the screwdrivers in an elevated space will help you stay organized for your daily repairs. And then there's a set of tools that I'm going to be getting for myself, which is the KC8 quick release knife blade set with these handles. Having a handle that's comfortable when doing these types of repairs really makes a big difference. These tools are used in many different ways, but mainly for motherboard repairs. And given how uncomfortable these repairs can be, having something like this adds that amount of comfort that makes it that much easier. So I highly recommend that if you are in the soldering game that you grab yourself a set. Well, that's it for today's video. If there's a tool that you'd like to see demonstrated in a video, let me know in the comments below. And if there's a YouTube channel that you would like to see featured on our channel, I highly enjoy those comments and looking at their content. So let me know. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.